Hello, welcome back to class. Today's class is a quick, dynamic, full body vinyasa flow. This class is for all levels and there are no props needed. So whenever you're ready to go, join me at the back of your mat. We begin kneeling. Let's just take a moment to connect to our breathing. Maybe you close down the eyes, breathing in and out predominantly through the nose. This is a great way to gain some separation in your day, to bring the awareness off of your responsibilities and onto the breath. Seeing if you can maintain this awareness throughout the entire practice. When you're ready, open the eyes, set the hands in front of the knees. We'll begin with a quick wrist warm up. Curl the toes under, begin to rock forward and back over top of the wrists. Internally rotate the hands, continue to rock forward and back. Externally rotate the hands so the fingers are pointed towards the long edge of the mat. Shift left and right. Flip the hands so the fingers are pointed towards the knees. Lean back. Good, shake the hands out. Come forward into a tabletop position. We'll warm up the spine via some segmentation. Inhale, drop the chest, head goes up. As you exhale, head goes down, round the spine. Again, inhale, drop the chest, head up. Exhale, head goes down, round the spine. Take a few more on your own, moving breath to movement. Good, let's find a neutral spine here. Inhale, right arm lifts, left leg goes up and back, awkward table. Curl the tailbone under, engage the core. Set the hand down, set the knee down. Inhale, left arm goes up, right leg goes up and back. Set the knee down, set the hand down, curl the toes under, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. This is your first dog of the day. Feel free to pedal it out, stretching through the calves and the hamstrings. Let's begin to find some stillness here as we reconnect to the breath. Inhale, right leg goes up and back. As you exhale, roll forward, step the right foot to the outside of the right hand, lizard lunge. Drop the back knee down. On your next inhale, both arms come up. As you exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest. Inhale, arms go up. As you exhale, left arm comes forward, right arm goes back, revolve to low lunge. Inhale, both hands come up. As you exhale, grab hold of the left wrist, bend over to the right. Inhale, both hands come up. As you exhale, hands come down to the front of the mat, drop the chest down. Torso comes up, extend the right leg long. Again, inhale to lengthen, exhale, fold forward into half splits. Chest comes up, replant the right foot, heel toe the foot to the middle of the mat. Hands come down to frame the front foot, curl the back toes under, lift the back knee off the mat. Begin to shift the weight forward until you pop up on the right foot. Left leg goes up and back, warrior three prep. Drop the left hip down slightly. Crown of the head lengthens forward. Good, step the left foot down to meet the right. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, arms go up, hips go back and down, chair pose. Inhale, hands to the heart. As you exhale, twist to the right, locking the left elbow on the right knee. As you push into each other, the elbow and the knee, you can deepen the twist here. Look down to the front of the mat for balance. Pick up the left leg, step it all the way behind you. Untwist, hands come down to the mat. Send the right foot back, plank pose. Curl the tailbone under here, push the ground away. Shift forward on an inhale. As you exhale, slowly lower down, knees, chest, chaturanga. Inhale, peel the chest off the mat, slide the forearms forward for Sphinx pose. Maybe you pull the chest and the head forward to traction the lower back. Good, reset the hands beside the chest, hips go up and back, downward facing dog. Deep inhale through the nose, let it out through the mouth. When you're ready, left leg goes up and back. As you exhale, round forward, step the left foot to the outside of the left hand, lizard lunge. Drop the back knee down. On your next inhale, both arms come up. As you exhale, cactus the arms, broaden the chest. Inhale, both arms go up. As you exhale, right arm goes forward, left goes back, revolve to low lunge. Inhale, both hands come up. As you exhale, grab for the right arm, bend over to the left. Continue to tuck the tailbone here. Inhale, both arms come up. As you exhale, hands come down to the front of the mat, lower the chest down. Chest comes up, left leg extends straight. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, half splits. Chest comes up, replant the left foot, heel toe the foot to the middle of the mat. Hands come down to frame the front foot. Curl the back toes under, lift the back knee off the mat. Begin to shift the weight forward until you pop up on the left foot. Right leg goes up and back, warrior three prep. Drop the right hip down slightly, strong through the glutes, kick that leg up high, extend the crown of the head forward. Good, step the right foot down to meet the left. Inhale, both arms go up, hips are back and down, chair pose. On your next inhale, hands come to the heart, and as you exhale, twist to the left, locking the right elbow on the left knee. Look to the front of the mat for balance. Pick the right foot up, step it all the way behind you. Hands come down to the mat, step the left foot down, back, rather, plank pose. Shift the weight forward, lower down slowly, chaturanga. Inhale up to cobra. Arms are bent, shoulders are back and down, away from the ears. Legs are still on the mat. Now curl the toes under and hips go up and back, downward facing dog. Look to the front of the mat, walk, step, or jump forward. Feet are hip width distance apart. Sink the hips down, malasana. Set the hips down, legs come up, arms extend in front of you, boat pose. Broaden the chest here, curl the tailbone under, engage the core, reconnect to the breath. Let's go low boat, lower the legs, lower the back. Shaking is good, it means you're building strength. Back to high boat. Connect the hands over the stomach. Let's twist to the right, then to the left. Let's repeat for 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the feet down, feet together, knees splay outwards. Inhale to lengthen forward, and as you exhale, fold forward. Chest comes up, replant the feet on the mat. Arms and hands go behind you, fingers pointed away. Push the hips up to the sky. For reverse table, head can drop back. Good, lower the hips down, extend the legs in front of you. Come onto your back, arms by your side, roll the shoulder blades under for Savasana. You can allow the breath to return to normal. Really feel the body sink into the ground and the ground support the body. See if you can stay here for at least 2 minutes. This is where we absorb all the benefits of our practice. Thank you so much for being here today, for sharing your time and your energy with me. I'm proud of you for showing up and doing something for yourself. Again, stay for as long as you need. Hope to see you again soon. Namaste.